science fans, we're back with our next experiment in our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And this time we're doing another experiment from the Horrible Science Frightful First Experiments kit by Galt. And this will be our 5th experiment, and we're still trying really hard to escape from Science Towers.
Are you sure that they locked every single door and window?
Well, I've tried everything and I can't get out, so we're going to have to just complete the experiments to do it, I think. All right?
Okay.
But we have got a letter.
Mm-hmm.
This one's from Miss Perkins. And this is for experiment 5, Miss Perkins liquid stacker. She says, you did a great job of the last experiment. We did. That was the one with the drops on the paper. Here's your jigsaw piece. Ta-da!
Ta-da! I'll put this on.
See how you manage experiment 5. This one could get sticky. Ha ha.
Well, we do have some sugar here. So...
From Miss Perkins. So, this one is Miss Perkins liquid stacker.
Wait, does this piece go here or not? No, I don't think it does go here. Does it go here?
I don't know, maybe you need to keep it for another day.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so this is another one with a horrible mess warning. Okay, so let's see what we need. We need 3 test tubes.
Got them?
Okay, the test tube rack.
On the test tube.
Okay, we need 3 different food colouring.
Over here.
1, 2, 3. We need some test tube stickers.
Over here.
We need a funnel.
Got it.
We need a mixing stick.
Mixing stick is here somewhere. Okay.
Okay.
Mixing stick.
And then from our kitchen we needed some sugar.
Got it. Oh, it's heavy.
It is. A tablespoon. That's the big one.
Oh. Have it.
And a teaspoon, a metal teaspoon. And some hot water. So this is hot water from the tap.
Okay, it's still warm.
Yeah. So first of all, we need to label the test tubes. So would you like to write a 1, a 2, and a 3?
Okay. A 1, a 2, a 3.
There we go. Right. And if you peel off those stickers, we'll stick them on.
Okay. So this is going to be number 1.
Okay. Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 3.
Number 3.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Right. So they're all labelled up
Okay.
nicely.
I'll put this to the
Okay,
side.
brilliant. Right, then we need to use the funnel. So, all right, let's move this out of the way a minute.
Okay, it's quite big.
So let's move this a bit closer. Let's take the lids off.
Ooh, okay.
You want to take that one off?
Okay.
So we're going to use the funnel. So in test tube number 1, which is this one,
Yes.
pop the funnel in,
Like this?
and we're going to pour 1 tablespoon of sugar. Right?
1 tablespoon of
Now,
sugar.
I think this is going to get a bit messy, especially because the sugar needs a bit of just... So do you want me to do it or do you want to do it? Shall I do the first one?
Yes.
Okay.
You do the first
So
one.
I'm going to get a tablespoon like that.
Sugar.
Okay. And I'm going to pour it in
Very carefully.
through the funnel.
Oh dear.
See, even for me, it's quite tricky. And then,
I'm gonna-
yeah, that's it.
Whee! Oh, it's like sand sugar. Sugar
That's
sand.
a lot of sugar. Does it really mean that much? But anyway, okay.
You do. I think it should be like a tablespoon of sugar or something.
Well, that was a tablespoon of sugar.
Oh, I mean a teaspoon. Lot of sugar.
So you got to put 2 tablespoons in that one.
What?
I know.
I'll
Is it even going to fit?
I'll do the tables. I'll do it.
Go on then.
Actually, no, you do it. You do it. Why do we need so much sugar? I think it'll fit.
Do you think?
Yeah.
So 2 in here.
Just maybe not so much because you did put a big tablespoon.
I did.
in
That was a big one. I think it might have been a bit too big. That's it. Make sure it stays in though. Don't pour it on the table.
Oh dear, will it fit? Will it fit?
I think this one will be alright, but I don't know about the next one.
Wait, is it 3 tablespoons?
Yeah.
No. 3 tablespoons will not fit.
Okay.
No, 3 very small
So
tablespoons.
they'll have to be, won't they? Right, okay. 1.
Very small tablespoons.
Come on, do you want to jiggle?
Wiggle it just a little bit. Wiggle it just a little bit. Okay. Maybe it'll fit. Wiggle it.
Oh, careful, not so, because that's going to go everywhere.
Okay.
Right, now what I'm going to do...
Why is there water in the sugar?
Oh, because that one was still a bit wet from our last experiment. I'm going to just tip a bit of this one into that one, because I think that maybe had a bit too much in.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think that's okay.
And I'm also going to tip a little bit of this one in as well.
What? That's too much.
So we've got...
Is this 3 tablespoons?
Yeah, and then just a bit more. Here we go.
Oh no, that's a lot! Mum, that was too much sugar. Oh, it just
Just about, right.
Holy
Okay.
it just fits.
Golly, that's
Does it
a lot
matter
of
if we
sugar.
have wet
Don't
sugar?
eat this much sugar,
No,
kids. It's
no.
bad for you.
No.
Right.
Oh dear.
Okay, we'll put that to
Why
one
do we
side.
need so much sugar?
Right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put some water in. 2 tablespoons of water.
Oh, I want to do 2 tablespoons of water. Do we need the funnel?
Yeah, probably best.
Actually, it
I'll
would
do
be
it.
better if you just...
I know, but... So 1.
In each one?
Yeah.
Okay.
2.
Oh, it's not going to fit in
Do
there.
you want to move the funnel to the next one?
Okay. Is it still hot?
Yeah. 1.
Okay. Oh dear. Please fit.
2.
It's not going to fit in there though.
We'll have to try.
I can't even. No, I'll protect it.
Good job, well done. Right, don't let it out.
I won't. Come on, just wait.
There we go.
Are you
Look,
sure?
you can see it's dissolving. That's pretty cool.
Okay, 1 and 2. Don't worry, I'm protecting it. Nothing will spill out. And if it does, what?
That's right, that was me. I poured it all over you.
And if it does, then it's your tablecloth, not mine. It's
Okay,
your problem.
Okay. Is it going?
Mom,
Is
why
it going?
did you pour it all over me? Do we know?
Oh, just leave it. Just leave it. That's all right. Just leave it. We'll see what happens.
Oh no,
I
it's
know.
pouring out.
Is it? All right. Okay.
Okay.
So now we need to mix them.
Your tablecloth. Your tablecloth.
All right. Now we need to put some food colouring in now.
Okay.
Oh my God! Right. This is going to
it
get
for
really
us.
bad.
This is it.
So we've got red. We've got.
I'll do yellow in there.
Okay. So put
Just 1 drop.
2 or 3 drops.
2 or 3 drops. I'll put 3.
1, 2, 3.
4.
Okay, that's all right. Right, I'll do the blue in here.
Wait, should I be mixing it?
No, wait.
Okay, I have a mixing stick there.
1,
2.
3.
Mum, this is it for us. This is.
Oh, it did it. Hang on. That's okay. Just say that. I'll just pop that.
This
in.
is clearly it for us.
I'll do the red as well.
This is it. This is.
1, 2, 3. Well, that looks quite cool though, doesn't it?
Shall I mix it?
Right. Just wait.
4.
Right, we're
What
going to
is
mix it. So do that one first.
Okay, that's pretty good.
No, it's not.
What? What? I mixed it. I'll mix it with the sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it. Just please give me one more
You
chance.
could do with a longer mixing stick, really.
Eh.
Do you want to go and get one of the other sticks from the kitchen, the longer sticks?
What sticks?
Like-
Chopstick.
Or a kebab stick or something.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute.
Get a
it's done.
couple.
Okay.
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Right,
You
I'll
can
do
see
the
science
blue one.
fans. I am mixing the sugar. Is this gonna work? What's meant to happen?
Well, just mix it up until it's all blue.
Blue?
Oh no, well yours is going to be yellow.
Does it matter if some bits are still grainy? Because mine's already all yellow.
Well, mix it up as best you can.
Sugar water! Okay, I think this is the best I can do. Is this okay? Yeah, try more. So it's okay?
Yes, that mix as best you can do.
I think so. I don't think it's going to get any better. Okay? Oh god,
Okay.
you've got a yellow chopstick. You're going to be eating yellow ramen for weeks.
You might need some tissue paper. Would you mind getting some kitchen roll?
Why? What did he spill?
Well, because I need to wipe them.
Okay, again. Okay.
Right, so that's the yellow one and the blue one.
Okay,
Joe.
now
Top
we're gonna
tip,
die.
science fans, if you do this experiment, although it didn't tell you to, get some kitchen paper because...
Mum.
Right, let me start it, okay?
This is our downfall.
Let me start it.
This is definitely our downfall.
Right, and then I'm going to pop them in there so we can get the colour off. Right, let me start it off.
Okay. Oh, I'm so scared.
Right, this one is really full. I'm sure it's not supposed to be this full.
No.
Right, so once you've done that, you take the metal teaspoon,
Oh, I want to do whatever it's going to
hold it over the test tube. Hold it over test tube 3, so that's 3. Just hold it like that, right? And don't move it. So there's enough to get a little bit in, right? And then I'm going to pour some of this in there, right? Over the back of the spoon. So
just pour it. Wait, we should have poured
Right.
some of that out.
So that's
It looks like a slushie now.
that one. And then let's just clean off this spoon.
And then do the yellow.
And then do the yellow. Yeah. Right, but put it a bit at an angle.
Like that?
Yeah.
I can't see the... Oh, it's green.
Ah.
Mum!
Right, wait. Now,
So lucky I didn't get on your table. This probably looks like it's slushie now.
so what we've got now
Yeah.
is different layers of the colours. So how come they haven't mixed together?
I don't know.
Because of density. Have you heard of density?
No.
So that's how sort of compact something is. Yeah?
Oh,
So-
I have like when you get wet sand
Yes,
and build a sandcastle out of it.
that gets more dense. Yeah. So what's happened here is that the red
Mm-hmm.
is more dense because it's got more sugar in it. Yeah. The blue is a bit less dense than the red.
Oh, can I pause you there? You should have said this has a lot more
It's got
sugar.
a load
in
of sugar in it, yeah. The blue is less dense than the red,
But it's still quite dense.
all right? But more dense than the yellow.
Mm-hmm.
So it's sitting on top of the red. And the yellow is the least dense of all, so it's sitting on top. So although it's the same amount of liquid, because we put 2 tablespoons of liquid in, didn't we? There's different amounts of sugar.
Yeah.
So the sugar has made it more dense.
Do you think we should make a rainbow chopstick?
Well, what I was going to say is, if we were to do this experiment again, I would suggest not putting quite so much sugar in.
No.
So yeah, so that was the, what was it called?
So,
That was called the liquid stacker.
the liquid stacker.
So what did you think of that experiment?
I thought it was very sugary.
What score would you give it?
You go first. You know I love it when you go first.
Well, I'm going to go 7 again.
Wait, can I just declare something? Messiness level 10.
Yes, definitely less level 10. And I'm properly sticky, but
Me
yeah,
too.
I'm going to go 7. It's going to pour. No, it's not going to show. I'm going to go 7 because I like the idea of it, but I think the instructions
Put way too much.
put way too much sugar. Way too much sugar. And I even tipped some out, but there was still way too much. So you need like half of that, I think.
I think for this one it should be half a teaspoon or half a tablespoon sugar, this one should be 3/4 a tablespoon of sugar, and this should be a tablespoon.
Something
of
like
sugar.
that, yeah, because it was just too much. But yeah, I like the idea of it, but by the time you mixed it up, the water's gone cold, so you can't dissolve all the sugar. But you know, the science is quite good. You've got the density bit going on there, so that's quite good. And you know, it's always good to get covered in sugar and colouring.
Yeah, pour sugar over your hair.
So, but yeah, I'll give it a 7. So, what do you think?
I think I'll give it a 6.5.
6.5. Okay, tell me why.
Because I mean, it was kind of parts of it was as boring as watching paint dry. But at some parts it was quite good, and it was fun seeing you make a mess of everything. So I'll give it a 6.5. And ruin your own tablecloth.
Well, it's only water.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't pour all that out. What are you looking at?
So, okay, so we're going to go for 7. So 7 and a 6.5 means a 6.75 average. So
Let's just say we go for a 7.
a 7, right, okay. So there we go, science fans. That was what was it called? Liquid Stacker.
Actually, I think I want to give it a 7 anyway.
A 7. From the Horrible Science Frightful First Experiments Kit by Galtz. Remember, if you like what we're doing, then head over to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
Like
and subscribe. See you next time, science fans. Bye. For now.
Bye.